Homemade peanut cannot be compared, very easy. So keep watching to see how easy it is to make. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First is to pick your peanuts to avoid sands or bad ones, which I have done already. Next is to wash it really well and add little salt. I added water into the salt and sprinkle all over the peanut and mix. The next step is to transfer in a baking tray and bake for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I will check on it and give it a good mix so that it will roast evenly. I will keep roasting for another 4 to 6 minutes or until done. Keep an eye on it so that it doesn't burn because it happens really fast. 6 minutes later, the peanut is ready. I'm going to allow it to cool down before peeling. After peeling, I will store in airtight container and we are done. I hope you give it a try. Very simple and easy to make. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one.